Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about how to write a program that convert temperature Celsius to Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit to Celsius, or vice versa using the concept of encapsulation in C++. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new in my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Okay, so we have here shop include a UStream for input output. I declare a class, temperature converter, and then I declare two variables in a class, Celsius and Fahrenheit, that has a data type of double, which is private, so it means it can only call within the class. So we have here public temperature converter Celsius Fahrenheit set. We set values here, the formula set Celsius, set Fahrenheit, and then get Celsius cost, and then get Fahrenheit. Now in our main function, it is the starting point of every C++ program. We call the class temperature converter, and then we create an object converter. Title of our program, so converter set Celsius, we assign a value of 35.0, so it will display here. Converter get Fahrenheit. So where do we get the Fahrenheit here? This one, return Fahrenheit. Okay, it will return a value here. Okay, so to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, we all use this. Um, Converter set Fahrenheit 112.3. Okay, so return in a program, return 0, return to our operating system now. So let us click the play button. So the 35 degrees Celsius is equals to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. End of program. So how about that? I will comment here and then I will copy. By this time we will convert. So we have here 112.3 Fahrenheit degrees Fahrenheit, and then instead of get Fahrenheit we get Celsius here, get Celsius, enter, and then we change this. Instead of Fahrenheit we change it to Celsius. Save, let us run. So wait, let us save first. Let us build first, sorry, build and run. There is an error. Why? Wait. Get Celsius. Okay, there is a T. Okay, build again. Okay, so we have here the output 112.3 degrees Fahrenheit is equals to 44.6111 degrees Celsius. Okay, so converter set values here in Fahrenheit being passed, and then we convert, get Celsius, so get Celsius here will display the result, here that we set in the Celsius. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation on temperature converter using the concept of encapsulation in C++ programming language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.